I went to the writer's workshop. I didn't know what to expect, and the whole first day was just filled with authors that I love and have read carefully and I'm really inspired by. They did a great job of talking about not only what it is to foster a dream, but also how the publishing industry works and why it takes a lot of energy and purpose on the insides. It's the difference between something being a loose idea and a concept and a hope and a dream, and you being able to stand there with this 40-page document or 20-page document that says, I know exactly what I'm doing, I know exactly what I want to say, I know exactly why it's different than anything else out there and why no one's ever said this before, and you should believe in me, because I do. And that's what a book proposal will do for you. When I finally got the book proposal written, I understood, oh, I can actually write this book. Now I know what I was trying to say. So it's a structure that really helps. I knew that I was going to win that contest. I had this feeling when I was sitting in the audience there when they said 3 people in this room are gonna win and be published. I just had this feeling that was like, I could win this. So when they called, I didn't think I would feel surprised, but I did. For some reason, even though I was so clear and thinking that way the whole time that I was writing the proposal, it still felt shocking and thrilling, and it just took my breath away.